On June the 7th, Christian families gathered at the shrine of Our Lady of Palestine in Deir Rafat. They came to receive the blessing of the Jubilee year of hope and to strengthen family bonds in union with Jesus Christ. We came here in this Jubilee year to ask the Lord to protect the ties between members of our family and to thank Him every day for all that He has given us. The solemn Mass was presided over by Cardinal Pierbattista Pizzaballa, Latin Patriarch of Jerusalem, in the presence of numerous bishops and priests. During his homily, he offered a prayer for the parish of the Holy Family in Gaza, remembering it on this special occasion. He then proclaimed the day's Gospel, highlighting how before Christ families had to go to the temple in search of God. But with Christ, it is God who visits families, just as He did in the villages of Galilee. The Christian family is a small church that, in a troubled world, passes on faith and values from generation to generation.
We cannot allow all the hatred we are seeing to become part of our life. And we have to be able, by faith, to see how Jesus is present in our families, in our relations. We are living terrible days, definitely. And Christian hope is not just expecting something that has to come from the future or from others. Christian hope is something that comes from the heart. Hope means to keep alive the presence of Jesus, the faith, in our relations.
In the light of today's fast-moving world, which is transforming moral values and creating difficulties in marital relationships, the Jubilee of Hope reminds us that Christian marriage is not a social contract, but a sacred sacrament.
This is a big challenge, especially for the youth. They are taking their way of thinking from the media more than from the families sometimes, and from the schools, from the churches. There is something that is not anymore in the culture today. It is the word forever. Love, blessed by God, is not something that you can change as we change our dresses. It's something forever.
The Patriarch concluded his homily by stating that only in the presence of Jesus can we learn to overcome problems and difficulties and begin again. If we are here today, it is because we recognize that there can be no unity in our families without Him. The celebration concluded with a joyful procession around the monastery. Priests and faithful participated, carrying an icon of the Holy Family. At the end, the Jubilee prayer was recited, followed by the final blessing over all the faithful present.